Yo, what's going on, guys? Alright, so just got to the new Rockaway park, and they've been working on this for a little while now, but just officially opened about a week ago. Yeah, it looks like a nice little fun spread out park. It's got a lot of rails, like 4-foot snake run. And I've always loved these parks, like right on the water. It's just like you could skate, work up a sweat, just jump right in. Yeah, it's just awesome that they built a new park here, because the last park and even the park before that in this location were pretty brutal. So it's good to have a nice, brand new concrete park here that's actually fun to skate. So yeah, gonna warm up a little bit. Also, end of the video, I got a project I'm working on I gotta tell you guys more about. But first, gonna do some skating. Alright guys, gonna try to get 5 tricks down this hub right here. Alright, easy ones are out of the way. This is where it starts to get hard now. Alright, well, that was actually much harder than I thought it was going to be. I haven't done a frontside 5.0 180 out in my 15 years. Alright, next, I'm going to skate that up slanted quarter pipe thing. I've been sizing that thing up since I got here. That was it. Yeah.
Fancy, but I'm getting back, you know?
Coming back, yeah.
Coming back.
Sure. You grew up around here?
No, I live in Brooklyn.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's really not much. I live in South Brooklyn, so there's really not much there. I'm better off coming here.
Yeah.
We got one crappy park that's like, I don't know, Mason, I don't know, some black wood. It's down in Garrison Beach in Brooklyn on the other side of the bridge. It's not really laid out well. It's something, but it's much better coming out here. Like, you got these 3 choices. You got this one, 12th Street,
yeah,
and I think 37th Street, Bayswater.
Yeah, Bayswater.
That's all straight, but it's got some nice transition. I had my hip replaced a couple of days ago.
Really? How's it feel now?
I'm a new man.
Really?
I could barely walk for 3 years almost. I mean, I was limping.
And now you're
couldn't
skating.
keep up with my kids. Now I'm skating again. I'm thrilled.
Were you?
Now my knees hurt a little bit. You know?
Did you used to skate? Like when you were
back
young?
in the 70s, man.
Really?
Like, yeah. I mean, we didn't have much to skate on. We built a half pipe here or there.
Yeah.
And then the cops would rip it down. You know, it's. We had nothing like this.
Yeah. Oh yeah. A lot of people skating back in the 70s, like when you were doing it?
Yeah, but we didn't have any place to go. Really, we had no parks, so we had a ramp down in Red Hook, Brooklyn.
Okay.
For a little while, just a half pipe. That's pretty much what we had.
Is that like private, like someone built it?
No,
we like
skaters.
Yeah.
We had one off of Flatbush Avenue. What happened was, cops, parks department, who knows what, put chains around it, so we couldn't skate it. I mean, they just anything they could do to make it hard.
Yeah, back
and the
then,
Brooklyn
for sure,
Banks, we skated that back in the day.
Yep. First try, man. That was sick.
Sometimes the power of the camera is good.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes the power of the camera is like kryptonite.
You know, probably not a truer statement said than that.
It's the weirdest thing in the world. You're either straight focused or you can't land anything for like days.
It's so true. Alright guys, really fun session at that park. All the locals there were awesome, met a lot of cool people. And yeah, so now for that new project I'm working on. If you guys watch this channel, you probably have seen my friend Richie Banks. I've flown to like Miami and met up with him, and on my 50 States challenge I met him in California. And yeah, he's just been in a few videos of mine. And yeah, something about Richie, he's just always doing these crazy projects, right? And he'll pull the trigger and make it happen. He can like wrangle people from anywhere and just make something happen. So in 1 week, I'm gonna be flying to Reno to meet up with him, and we're gonna be building our own DIY skate park in the middle of nowhere. And he's been doing these videos on the Berrics. This is gonna be his third one, right? And he's done 2 other ones. I'll put the link to those in the description if you wanna check them out. But yeah, I'm psyched for this. Should be the biggest build yet. We got like Eli Reed flying out, and Classic Skate Shop, who's like a local shop in Reno. They're gonna be a part of it, so it's really cool. It's building, bringing everyone together in the community. But all this stuff is insanely expensive. We gotta like, buy cement, Airbnbs, flying people out, like welding rails and all this stuff. So we'd really appreciate if you guys could donate some money, help out, try to make this happen, because we're just kind of winging it. So Richie-Banks on Venmo. If you guys want to donate, it'd be a huge help. And yeah, I'm psyched to see where this thing goes. I'm obviously going to be vlogging the whole thing, but he's going to be filming it on like some crazy red camera, and yeah, that'll be like a whole other separate project. But I'll be filming all the behind-the-scenes stuff and like, getting everything ready. So yeah, if you guys want to donate and be a part of it, we'd really appreciate it. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys soon.